Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to winterize an in-ground pool. In this video, we're going to take you through the easiest and most effective ways to carry out this procedure. Stick around to learn more. Remove all pool accessories. Start by removing all pool accessories, such as ladders, handrails, and skimmer baskets. Hose off any dirt and store them safely. Deep clean the pool. Start by skimming the pool surface with the skim nets and using a pool vacuum to remove any dirt from the bottom. Then thoroughly brush down the pool sides and floor to dislodge any debris. Check and balance the water chemistry. After cleaning the pool thoroughly, test the water chemistry to ensure it's balanced. The pH level should be between 7.2 and 7.8, calcium hardness between 200 and 400 ppm, that's parts per million, and alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm. Balancing the chemistry will prevent damage to the pool and prevent staining. Reduce the water levels. You will need to lower the water levels to 6 to 12 inches below the skimmer if you use a mesh pool safety cover, and 3 to 6 inches if you use a solid cover. Ensure that you don't completely drain the pool, as the dry freezing air could cause cracks and tears in the pool liner. Drain pool pump and other equipment. Start by clearing out the water from the pool line using a blower. Drain water from the heater, filter, and pump, and then clean them out thoroughly. Store your equipment indoors if possible. Shock your pool. Before covering the pool, treat it using a form of superchlorination to prevent algae and break down bacteria, keeping the pool clean and fresh throughout the winter. This can be done by following the instructions on the pool shock packaging and ensuring the chemicals are distributed into the pool evenly. Cover the pool. The final step is skimming the pool for the last time to ensure it's as clean as possible. Then cleaning out the pool cover to prevent bringing debris and dirt into the cleaned pool. Then cover the pool. Use a solid cover to keep out the sun. Inhibit algae growth and keep out debris. Ensure the cover is attached correctly and that you've turned off all the power to any electrical components of the pool. So there you have it. Keeping your pool safe from damage and algae during winter should be simple. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching.